Frog balloon tutorial. Reserve 10 fingers width of the balloon. Twist to 4 finger single bubbles and wrap them together at the joint. Pull the neck tight and thread through the middle. A 4 finger single bubble. Thread it through the middle. Now twist another 4 finger single bubble. Tighten the nozzle and continue wrapping it around the knot. Twist to 3 finger single bubbles. Deflate the balloon by releasing the air at the knot, adjusting to the position of another node. Pull it to the gap in the middle of the 4 bubble cluster to create a barrier knot. Twist a single bubble. Twist another barrier knot. Carefully release air through the gap. Fold over to create 2 barrier knots. These 2 barrier knots serve as the frog's eyes. Stretch the balloon neck. Adjust the shape. Draw the facial expression and you're done.